In today's video, I'm going to show you how I clean my clippers. Bro, I wish I could make these videos in my Jamaican accent, because it would make it more natural and probably more fun. But half of you guys won't understand what I'm saying, so English it is. Proper. So I'm going to start this video again with the Andis Cool Care. This is really important. If you have clippers, you need some Andis Cool Care. Alright. This is the Andis Cool Care 5-in-1 coolant, disinfectant, lubricant cleaner, rust preventative. And right here, even though it's a lubricant, you still need to oil your clippers, as you can see with the care tip. And on the back, it'll show you the direction for use. After each use, clean clipper blades to remove hair and other organic soil. With clippers turned off, hold dispenser upright 6 to 8 inches from blades. Spray teeth of clipper blades until wet. Keep surface wet for 10 minutes. Allow to dry between full application. Spray clippers to cool blade and blow away stray hairs. Use regularly to keep blades lubricated. I know this is fairly simple, but I know a lot of you guys are gonna want to see someone else do it first before you attempt it. So I'm gonna just show you how to use it. So basically, you hold it away from it. I don't know, like, boy, I don't even know how far 6 inches is. Man, just spray that junk. And then I prefer to turn it on. So I'll turn it on and just, and further away you hold it is gonna be better. It covers more surface area. So after you use the Andis Cool Care and you allow your clippers to dry for like 10 minutes as directed by the can, it's good to use something called the Andis Blade Care, which I don't have. So my substitute is regular old alcohol. You can use the white one, the green one, if they have any more, I don't care. You can pick these up anywhere. I picked this up in my dad's room, to each his own. So really, the Andis Blade Care is supposedly a 7-in-1. I feel like Andis is just lying, because it says it's a disinfectant and a decontaminant. But to my knowledge, a disinfectant and a decontaminant is the same thing. And then they say it has vitamin E, which I don't know why my clipper needs vitamin E, but it's whatever. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna put it in a container like this. You don't need a lot, and you're gonna dip your clipper inside of it like this. Don't baptize it now. Like, don't baptize your clipper in some alcohol. You just want to tip the blade in it like so. And then it's better to just turn it on so it kind of vibrates anything out. So let's go. I don't know if you can see all those little strands of hairs. Man, this is what I do. I don't need no damn 7-in-1. I already had the 5-in-1. Let me see what this looks like now. Let me see what my clippers look like. It's about 10 minutes since I sprayed the Cool Care on it. I don't know if you can see that. I should use a different bowl for this. But basically, come on, focus. Focus. Yeah, but I think you can, yeah, you can see those little strands of hair. That all came out from the clippers. And now your clippers are clean. After that, you just want to dry off your clippers. right now, Your clippers should be in tip-top shape, pretty clean. And you can look at the amount of crap you got out of this. And now you just throw this away. Don't reuse it. That's nasty. So that's it for this week's video. And make sure you spray your clippers again if needed. And make sure you lubricate it, because the alcohol is gonna cut any of the excess grease that was on it. So make sure you re-lube. And that's it for how to clean your clippers. And thank you guys for watching.